When you own a large property, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Each estate is unique, with museum-quality items needing to be stored at a specific temperature with humidity requirements.
We have a number of specialty finishes and irreplaceable wall coverings and whatnot that aren't just not made anymore, and we had to be very mindful of that.
When a partner is needed who understands the complexities of a large residential estate, APA can provide modernization solutions for entire heating and cooling system without disruption. From the very first consultation, the team takes the time to listen, assessing existing equipment, identifying the inefficiencies, and presenting a thoughtful, modern solution, not a one-size-fits-all approach. From a smooth installation process, the team is professional, respectful of the property, and incredibly organized. The end result? The estate is more comfortable than it's ever been. The new system is quieter, more efficient, and delivers consistent heating and cooling throughout the entire property, even in areas that were always a challenge. Also notable is a significant improvement in energy efficiency. The upgraded equipment and smart controls make managing the home easier and more cost-effective.
Our summertime electric bill has decreased dramatically. Most months, it was half of what we spent on electric to cool the home in years past.
If you're looking to modernize your HVAC system, you want a company that brings expertise, trust, and true professionalism.